This is the important part of supply chain. So, which is product recall. This software will help you in getting the supply and demand activities, the correlations, and this will help you to know how much of shipments should be delivered, what are the delivered, and like how should what were the trendings which were going all throughout the process. So looking on those, we are showing first the filter. Let's filter it. It will filter. Okay, it is currently filtering on this basis. Okay, let it be. So this is like your present recall. Present recall on the sense of freight and the date of shipping. What happens is like when you get multiple recalls from different stakeholders, I mean distributor or warehouses, some has earlier timing, some has last timing, like the end timing. Okay, so the one who based on the size of the container, you look what is the like last shipping date provided by the last customer till that vehicle gets filled. Okay, so based on that you decide the shipping date. So it has been decided, and the quantities are the added quantities over the recalled, over the made recalled, and the available space within the vehicle when all the containers are concatenated with the vehicle. So this, I mean this, and this is at present among that shipping quantity, the amount of quantity that is being filled to the container. So this is available with the container, and the status is yet in transit since the process is not complete till now and the action is recalled. So you got that, and based on that, since it is recalled, there is no such process of packing, delivering, vehicle tracking. It's like they have reported you that they want to recall the shipment. So you get the time and you go to that address and pick that and put it to the address where it should be kept. I mean, from this address you pick up and put to this address. The GLN, the global location number, is this one, which may refer to pin code or latitude, longitude. Then shipping quantity is 650 and one is 220, which is 870. You see, and 220 has been picked. So this has got completed. This, and this is in transit till you don't take it. This is going to stay in transit. If it is all completed, it is completed. Okay, and based on this shipment, if you click, they decide you from which stakeholder, which distributor this has been taken. So you got like some 5946 and the global location number is this, the quantity is 650 and currently received is 0, so it is in transit. And currently receipt date is yet in transit. Okay, its receipt date is there, and when you click on this you get some different stakeholder, and this has got. So this is the way it is going. So you decide the stakeholder of the present quantity. For historical you get the similar, but in everything it is complete, and complete. So now, and here you just get what is the order ID, the order QR code. It has been made into a batch, and that batch is being scanned to the container, and Based on that, you get the expectation date. What is the condition in transit? It has already got delayed. So see, when it is in transit and you get some arrival time, it means that it is probable time of arrival. Okay, and when it has got arrived, it picked up, it is actual time of arrival. So we have like currently it's a probable time of arrival, so which is going to be delayed. And when it arrives, and by unfortunately if it is lesser than this time, then it is actual time of arrival, and it will convert into green and then completed. So currently it's green and it is not completed, so it is going to arrive early. So like we have kept this filled all throughout, like there is no vacant and it is coming suddenly. Okay, so this is the way. So you got the from to, this is a important part. And then stakeholder, based on that, who are the distributor, from which category it is belonging to, who are the stakeholders. Okay, so you see that they have different stakeholders, 946 and there is 546. In case both have been from the same stakeholder, it would have got just a one, and the combined form of 870 and then received quantity would have been just 220. So the similar case repeated here. So we tried showing different. And here ongoing, what happens is like we got the complete history. Okay, history. So if this is the vehicle, we will get in anything, any history belonging to this vehicle, since we are a supplier, isn't it? So what happens is that, okay, so when we go next, so we see like these are the different stakeholders whose delivery was performed through this vehicle, and what are their status. So this is their global location number, and this the total shipped quantity. What has happened is like this has increased. It should be 550 because one of the delivery was made and it was completed, which is 566. So if you add 566 to the same vehicle, you see this vehicle has some transaction some at some earlier time, and it got completed. Okay, so we are making the second delivery through these shipments at some another time, and we are getting that this is 1216. So this is a summation. The total timing is 1216 and currently shipped is 0. Okay, it should be 566 because it has been completed. Okay, we will see some mathematics there. And that this is till date. Till date, what is the status ongoing? And till date, what is the status ongoing? Okay, so this is the overall things. And that is all. So here we would mind going to this presentation. So this is consPeer SaaS, machine to machine SaaS, IoT enabled, chip enabled machine to machine SaaS. So chip enabled SaaS. So we have scalable digital ordering. You get how it is made, what is various expiry date, my orders to fulfill. So warehouse allocation, automated supplier allotment, self order to manufacturer, and then you get warehouse section allotment, GST and attachment, mean max temperature range that need to be there to verify the breaching. So initial few filling of the drop down menu, and then some block. So this is certificate listing, and then allocation. You got that packed transfer to distributors. So all those things are happening. That is show in 3PL, this third party logistic. So real-time tracking. Now here is present recall. So something is sent and it should be recalled based on the temperature, any breaching, any out of performance things. and then this is like, and this is something forecast production trade experience, and then all this goes like this is our devices. So this is all.